Ooh, wireless charging. Oh, imagine going back in time 10 years and showing this to folks, eh? They'd poo their pants. Bring a bum wipe. But here's the thing, you'd bust through the door, proclaim you got the power of future wizards, and some demons, frankly, because this is pretty amazing, but they're just gonna casually slap this out of your hands. Because, wireless charging isn't a fever dream of the 2020 generation. No, my friends. Smell it. 2009. Now, when I bought this on eBay, now, first off, I just had to have it. It's just beautifully out of date, but strangely futuristic. Because, look, iPod, I had to have it. But this is all the picture showed. I mean, $10, good score, am I right? Imagine my disappointment when, what is this? What is this? It's like your dad promising you to take you to Disneyland, but then it turns out he takes you to a Disney-themed dentist. I mean, I'm looking at Mickey, right? They're singing It's a Small World after all. Oh, but not like this. I immediately lost all faith. Check it out. And I'm like, yeah, all right, I'll check it out. So you fold this up, and you just got this, like, screen-printed guff. It looks awful, by the way. This thing just smacks of effort. Look, there's like cutouts here for like the plastic. That's expensive. Lose the cord. Oh, that's trademarked. They trademarked that. Well, it's simple. You drop a charger. Oh, that's trademarked as well. There's no spaghetti. We like spaghetti around here. Energy saving. Charge 3 devices with 1 plug. Hang on. If you're charging all 3 of them from empty to full, I don't think it matters how you do it. They're taking that much electricity, right? All right, look, compatible with 3GS. Now we're talking. Hey, the 3rd gen's not written there. We'll have to test that, because that's the original dock connector one, isn't it? I don't know anything else about this. I don't even know if these guys are still going. Actually. No. Oh, no, they're still at it. It's life at 100%. Asus. Oh, they're moving too quick. You got, Belkin. Hang on. Wait, what's that one? Insane. Well, no, it's gone. I can't say I've heard of them. Well, nothing left to it but to do it. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's so light. It's so light. Maybe that's a good thing. Now that is the most generic manual I've ever laid eyes on. Like, look, they're trying to be like, whoa, loose the cords, all this. And then you get to the manual and it's just, whoa. Hey, what? The first impression's pretty, not even the gradient's good. And then it's all of a sudden like, yeah, marketing from the thousands. Power cube and the power mat. Nah, wait, man, we don't need this. We don't use the manuals. Here's the thing. Ooh, it keeps going and going and going and going. This is impressively long. I mean that's kind of neat, like a way to wrap it up. But it's made out of crap. It's the cheapest feeling whatever.
Here's our Aussie spec doodler right here, mate. We just stick her in there.
Yep. This is the worst power brick I've held, actually. It is sharp. Isn't that? Sharp. Here's this. Good. Here's Dad's Disneyland. There it is. Oh, God. Is there anything else? This box is just full. Look, the box has completely fallen apart. There's nothing in it. In that gigantic box, we got Dad's thing, this thing. Well, I guess this is pretty big, but it's really thin and it's really light. We need an iPod. Bluetooth iPod, it's nearby. Ah! Did you hear that? Did you hear that? I wasn't ready for that. Hang on.
The future, mate. Oh, if I made everything in the future, everything would go bleep, bleep, bleep.
Can you believe no one bought this? What are these noises? It works. You can't, hang on. All right, hang on. We got a rap band here going on. Hip, 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 how about you can't stop the track? I'm already incredibly disappointed because like, what the, isn't this is the dream here, isn't it? And it charges. That's the point, isn't it? Where's the, why does this have buttons on it? Oh, it's for scooting and cahooting. All right, hang on. This actually needs charging, so this would be good. Oh no, this is not as elegant. Oh, hang on. Oh no. Huh. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not Shrek Pug compliant. Oh, I take it back. Go. Come on. Yay! It worked. Oh, doesn't it look good in this? So you scoot her back. So non-chungish, big chunk. Here she is. Damn it! Doesn't fit. That's why it's not listed there. Oh, what? Didn't they have enough room for this to slide back for? Are you? No. I'll admit, in the last video, many people pointed out, and then you can chung on my wayward son. That's fine. But this is not big chung compliant. I'm not taking that. Sitting down. No, that's not appropriate this time because I don't want to destroy this. I got plans for the receiver inside of this. I just want this out the way so I can see if it's just a bad... Like, if this genuinely doesn't work with this, fine. Because I know these are different. These need more power, which is... that's probably why. It's because these need more power. Bullcrap. They said that this is just like a wall outlet. This can charge from a wall outlet. Let's twist again. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Yeah! Oh, good. There's sharp, pointy things in the way now. Anything for my chunk? Pointy. It doesn't work. But it did wake it up, but that's why they locked it out. There was actually a very wise... look, we could put that on there to cover up the screws. So there you go. That was actually a very conscious decision to do that because, no, these don't work, and that's why they said it doesn't. What is this for? This looks like it's just a pass-through? I mean, I like it. I guess... Oh, good, and that stays in there. Looking into this is how it's meant to be for all of them. You get like a generic thing, and then you put the tip on it, which does the thing that you want it to do, depending on what you have. So this one just happens to have an iPod one, and then that's it. So you're still plugging something in, but it's on the power mat. Friggin', get out!